Here I've got HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. So first of all, just open the settings, go find and select apps and notifications, and here go to advanced. Now click on special app access, scroll down, and now you will notice install unknown apps, so smoothly mark it, and then you can pick the app that you would like to give this permission to, click on allow from the source, and that's it. From now on you'll be able to install from the source, and you can pick different app and also give the permission smoothly by tapping on allow from the source. So just choose the application that you would like to give this permission to, that you would like to activate installation from, and then just click on it. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.